Empty nesting? Are you in the stage of life that you're in the transition of going from kids to no kids? Or maybe you know that stage is coming up soon. Or maybe you have kids that have graduated and now they're coming back to live at home for a while. All of these are significant changes and challenges in our lives that can force each of us into needing to think a new thought. This is Sally Mulready with Mulready Properties at Coldwell Banker Select, and I really feel your pain. Listen, this transition can be tough. Speaking for moms, we've spent the last 20 plus years with our schedule completely being dominated by the kids' schedule. Now to think that we have an open calendar, wow, it can be daunting. But you know, I have a few helpful tips for you to help you really make the most of this next stage. Number one, look ahead and decide a good time for you to really make these changes. Because my mom passed away just as my last one was leaving for college, all in the same month, I decided that I wanted to take that first year of empty nesting and not make any changes at all. I just needed a little minute to process both my kids leaving and my mom passing. I knew that after that year, I would be ready to launch into what's next for me. That timeline was really, really helpful. Number two, it's time to take time to really like yourself and to choose joy like never before. You have loved the child-rearing stage, but now it's time to look in the mirror and really get real with yourself. Enjoy all that you bring to the table and learn to really let go of what you cannot control. Number three, begin thinking of your future with the end in mind. What do I want to make sure I experience while I'm living on this earth? And that list should thrill and inspire you. Number four, once you know you are ready for something new, it's time for action. Plan the trip, take the class, get the degree, interview for the new job, and even consider moving to a new house to get inspired for your future. Whatever your plan is, I'm here to navigate this stage with you as we all charge into our future. You may ask, what change have I made after that first year of empty nesting? Well, many of you have noticed that I am now taking classes on becoming a digital marketing specialist so I can really beef up my game both professionally and personally. And I am more determined now than ever to live every day with joy and purpose. This is Sally Mulready with Mulready Properties at CB Select, creating community through great relationships with you.